Alam mo, dikit na dikit tayo, partner eh. It was 23-24.
Pero 1-point lead
Yes, but eventually, yung character ng Smart lumalabas
Yes.
na, ha? Kasi in-expect natin yun na yung Philippine Army pa nga yung stronger. On that hold, yun lang yun dun sa dulo na yun. Akala natin makakabalik pa talaga yung Philippine Army, but Smart Maynila was able to get that set and nagkaroon pa rin ng kumbaga solid play in the end.
Yes.
Cassini talagang leading the banner in that third set.
But you gotta also mention these unforced errors nga by Army, especially that last service error that gave
Yun,
Smart.
yung kicking balse.
Oo.
But this one, lapses on the side of Smart Maynilad.
Well, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. But yeah.
Cassini not inside for Smart Maynilad. At this point,
You're right.
Ang ganda ng pinapakita ni Cassini. Again, bannered that third set.
Well, an all-local 6 so far dito para sa Smart Maynilad. Good serve.
Ang ganda.
Oh,
But
buhay.
still, di ba, yung talaga namang naipasok pa rin ng Philippine Army and Valdez getting through the blockers.
That's right. Nag-adjust si Valdez, no?
Yun ang dapat niya kasing matutunan. Di ba kanina pa eh? Kasi yung pwesto ng katawan niya, nababasa ng Army eh. So, yung adjustment siguro ng konti para lang hindi basang-basa yung palo niya. Or talagang kung pwedeng sa taas ng blockers niya ay mapalo yung bola. That is so much the better. Valdez with 9 points already. Cassini with 6. Dakis with 5. Bunag with 4.
That's a very quiet performances by both squads. Oh, ace for Ruby. But you know, this local lineup of Coach Roger doing well. Nakita mo yung play kanina. Meron nag-quick, may nag-running, tapos Soltones nag-differential. So, good
May mga
sign.
kombinasyon, yes.
Back is off the block. And that hit the antenna. 4-all. Close na naman tayo dito sa fourth set. Good serve, Banaticla, De Leon. Running naman for Eliza.
Oh, Rachel. Good coverage from the Philippine Army.
Oh,
And Gonzaga just saving that ball and getting the point.
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Well, 5 apiece. Salak.
Oh, combination this time from Philippine Army.
Barely getting it, pero lucky.
Cassini.
Yeah, tsaka, that's a good example for those who want to play volleyball. Focus, you maintain your focus. Kung
Yeah.
it's not the best of sets, kailangan focus ka pa rin na gusto mo i-over or patayin.
Yes, yung parang katulad nun. Di ba,
Yes.
nasa gitna na open hitter si Soltones who still went after that ball.
You know, after that play, nag-usap si Valdez siya si Cassini. So talaga Cassini being the ate of the squad.
Nag-hesitate kasi sa block.
Oo. Well, Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Dakis. 6 serving 7. This is going to be long.
Hindi naman yung serve ni Rachel. Ikaw, baka ma-jinx mo.
Hindi, ayun.
Yan, okay. Oh, Liza wanting to go for a soft touch. Sends it wide.
Oh, but she had the right thing in mind, no, sayang.
She went for that, yung float ng bola eh.
Cassini with a block. Coverage was there. Banaticla from the back. Salak binigay kay Bautista. We want to hear from Rina Villamor.
Yes, at this point, I want to share what Tina Salak mentioned to the teammates earlier. Sabi nga niya sa mga teammates niya, kailangan matuto tayong magbalanse dito sa larong ito dahil nga nakikita niya na napakalakas ng mga frontliners nila pagdating